In traditional manufacturing, inaccurate incoming part positioning or insecure clamping may result in a reduction in processing accuracy, affecting production quality. When a product change is required, hardware setup changes can lead to production line downtime, increasing additional time costs. Using a vision-enabled robot, simply switching software projects can achieve production line adjustments, significantly improving manufacturing quality and saving costs. The inability to immediately detect defects in incoming materials or finished products leads to a consistently low production quality. However, building a station with such flexible manufacturing capabilities and automatic optical inspection (AOI) requires highly integrated systems. Expensive integration costs and system maintenance costs are also necessary. Now, all these problems are resolved. With TM Robot, you no longer need to integrate hardware and software separately, significantly reducing overall implementation costs. The built-in visual positioning function can quickly adapt to environmental changes, addressing the challenges of flexible incoming materials. Applications including loading, unloading, positioning, and picking, component assembly, and tray transfer, among others. The built-in visual inspection function enhances the value of the robotic arm, ensuring control over production quality while manufacturing. Applications including barcode reading, visual inspection, and assembly check, among others. If you have the above production line requirements, start integrating TM AI cobot into your production line now.
TPC Mechatronics, advancing industries together. Learn more at tpcpage.co.kr.